Hi everyone, I'm Oskar Melander and I'm a drummer from Sweden. And I'm currently playing in the bands Mexicoma, I Am Low and another Swedish band called Lilla Björn. And I'm also in different solo projects as a freelance musician. Been playing drums for about 20 years almost, I guess. And I use these awesome Collision 5AR sticks. Really love the general feel, durability is great, and the extra length I think is really helpful. Like really nice rebound, and like they really help me play what I intend to play. You know what's up here. These drumsticks really help me get the job done, if you know what I mean. Like they feel pretty effortless around the drums, if that makes sense. So thanks so much for these awesome sticks and for having me on board. And I hope you will enjoy my video. It's a playthrough of an old Mexicoma song called Mortified. So yeah, thanks again. Bye bye.